Ready? Start. I hope this will give a major boost to our bilateral trade. And while the two governments are taking lead, we would expect chambers of commerce, export promotion councils, and industry groups to participate in the fair in large numbers and make our participation a grand success. There are clear complementarities between the Indian and Greek economies. Both have their strong points. India happens to be the fastest growing major economy in the world with a growth rate of 7.7%. We have undertaken an ambitious plan to build next generation infrastructure including 100 smart cities, airports, high-speed trains, highways and cyber connectivity. Last year, we built nearly 10,000 kilometers of national highways, that is 27 kilometers daily, almost double the speed few years ago. Our Sagarmala project proposes to develop a string of new ports including 5 major ports along our vast coastline. It has initiated a robust program for port-led industrialization and connectivity. We have also designated 111 rivers as national waterways. In addition, we have opened coastal shipping to international players. These measures will change the way we harness our maritime and inland river transport corridors in India. To boost our manufacturing sector and Make in India program, we have undertaken path-breaking reforms. The most transformative of them has been the introduction of goods and services tax, which makes India into a single unified tax market for the first time in its modern history. We have repealed over 1400 outdated laws. Both the central and state governments have undertaken over 10,000 measures to make it easier for business to establish and grow in India. Due to these reforms, we have jumped 42 places in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business Index in the last 4 years. As a result, foreign direct investment flows into India have risen from US dollars 36 billion in 2013 to 14 to US dollars 60 billion in 2016 to 17. All in all, India is set to be a $5 trillion economy by 2025 with the third largest consumer market in the world. This sort of growth and demand opens up immense business opportunities. The Greek economy has global reputation in several fields including shipping, tourism and agriculture. I would encourage Greek shipping, agriculture, food processing, tourism, infrastructure technology, defense and startup companies to look at investment and technology tie-up openings in India. There are lucrative opportunities for the Greek shipping industry in the Indian growth story. Greece is also a front runner in agriculture and food processing sectors. We have a target to double farm incomes by 2022 in India. This represents major prospects for Greek agro-based companies. There are opportunities for us to collaborate in defense manufacturing, pharma, tourism, real estate, entertainment infrastructure, and technology sectors as well. Both our countries have a strong renewable energy program, especially in the solar energy sector. India's target is to produce 175 gigawatt of renewable power by 2022. We should explore how we can leverage each other's strength in the field. On the startup side, India has the third largest network in the world. I understand that Greece also has a niche startup sector in place. We should explore opportunities in this sector as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian companies have a global standing in the fields of IT, pharmaceuticals, infrastructure, automobiles, energy, technology, entertainment, and hospitality sectors. We have our business representatives from these sectors present here. There are still others here from agriculture, electronics, real estate, footwear, mining, and skill development sectors. I am hopeful they would all have an engaging day ahead with their Greek counterparts. On a skills side, I must highlight that we have an ambitious Skill India program to train 150 million youth by 2022. Greece, with its proven capacity in the tourism sector, could be a potential partner for developing skills for the hospitality sector in India. At the Foreign Service Institute, I understand you have spent 6 months to hone your skills as a diplomat. During the training, you would have realized that the skills a foreign service officer requires are very different from what other members of our civil service do. Your world revolves around effective communications, strategic thinking, and deep political and cultural understanding of your host societies. For you, it is important to master the art of nuances, understand subtleties, and read between the lines. You must bear these in mind and sharpen them as you cruise along in your career. Soon you would be leaving for your postings abroad. You will be working with diverse sets of people. To be effective in your work, you must appreciate and understand their cultural sensibilities. It is important for you to have a perspective understanding of them in all respects. Each one of you have been assigned a foreign language, but my advice to you would be learn as many languages as you can. They have the power to open a whole new world for you, and more so in diplomacy. I am happy that your stint at FSI has given you an all-round exposure to the various facets of India, its economic prowess, cultural diversity, scientific capabilities, and security needs. These would help you navigate the complex world of diplomacy abroad. Officer trainees, I must say that you are joining the Indian Foreign Service at an exciting time. India is fast expanding its global footprint. we are securing our interests in every part of the world.